It is 9:30. I put my alarm at 8:30. Saturday, November 9th. I'm sleepy. No. I'm gonna go run. And then I'm gonna go work for a bit with my dad. It's windy. Do y'all hear that? Also, this is day 1 of my daily vlogs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know. Whatever. Day 1 daily vlogs. Let's do it. Alright, it's 10. 10:06, I'm getting up. Good news, I think it stopped windy. It stopped wind. It stopped, the wind stopped. I don't know, maybe not. Alright. Let's start getting ready. I have like no light. So I'm gonna change, listen to music. Get ready a little bit, and then I'll go run. I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh wait. Alright, whatever. Watching Cody Code. I take a little bit of pre-workout before my run, just to get hype. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we gonna make a little pre-workout drink. Got the water. Got my little cup, mixing cup. I don't know. So I just be using this pre-workout. I only put in like half a scoop when I go on a run, just to give me a little bit of boost, just so I'm not so tired, you know what I mean? It helps with the run, to be honest, but oh, good news. Well, no, not good news. It's still windy outside. The weather's pretty warm, so hopefully of coldness. Hopefully I don't feel cold, which is good. But the run is probably gonna be a little hard because the wind's gonna push me, but whatever. rounds up. Put my earphones on. I just put on one. Alright, this is this run. It's a little windy. It's a little windy. Quick stretching. I don't know, I feel like sore, like tired. So I don't know how this run is gonna go. I'm gonna try to do a 3 mile, but like a fast 3 mile. So, but I don't know, my legs feel stiff. I feel a little dead. That's what the pre-workout helps with. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but whatever. It's a little windy, but it's warm. It's hot out here. I'm already sweating. Pop the molly, I'm sweating. So I'll give you guys an update maybe when I'm done, because I'm gonna try to focus on the run. Alright, let's get started. Nice the weather is. It's so nice out here. I thought it was gonna be freezing, but it feels so good. And the wind's not that bad. It's calm. I miss this. Alright. This is gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good run. We're gonna warm up real quick and it's gonna be a good run. Alright, check back with you guys. Alright, you guys. Bad start. Just started. My legs feel bad. It's windy, so there's stuff getting in my eyes. I wanted to like zoom into this 5K, but I don't know. It's not looking good. Yeah, I'm dying. That was a hard run. That was a hard run. My day. I did 3.11 miles, which is 5K. It was really, really windy. It was hard. I'll give it, I give it 6 out of 10. Alright guys. Alright, so I finished my run. That sucked, I'm not gonna lie. Let me I'll put up the, so let's show you guys my little run. Alright. Okay, so I did 3.38 miles, 5K. The average pace is because I was walking right now at the end. So to start, look, I don't want to make excuses, but I'm gonna. So basically, it was windy. The wind kept pushing me, only like for like 0.5 on the second mile. Like the wind was actually behind me and was helping me. And then to start off, I start running, like right when the timer goes off, I just give it I just start going, right? But on the Nike Plus app, on this, it has guided runs. So the one I was doing today, it is this one. But like, so you either have the option to do a guided run or a non-guided run. So when I started it, it was a guided run, and so he was talking, and I would have been down for the motivation and everything, but I already had picked out like a good amount of songs. So I was like, I don't want to run, like I want to run with my music, you know. So then I stopped it. I was almost at like 0.2, and then once I started again, I just dead. And so yeah, you know, it sucked, but it's all right. You can do the same course because I run the same thing like all the time, and some days are just not gonna be as good, you know. So the run's done. At least I'm gonna head over to with my dad. I'm gonna work with them for a bit, and then I don't know how I'm gonna end my night, but that was the run. Alright guys, so I'm here with my dad. I'm gonna work for a bit. Yes, I'm doing another half scoop pre-workout. I don't know, I'm addicted to caffeine at this point. Just to give me a little, so that I'm like active while I'm working. I don't know. And yeah, I did change it to work clothes, I guess. But yeah, I'll see you guys after I finish working. Also, this isn't my actual job. I have an actual job, and then I work with my dad on Saturdays just for a little, to help me and help him, I guess. All right, see you guys. Guys, I'm back. It's been approximately 20 minutes maybe. I ate real quick. My dad got me a burrito. I have to go, we're going on a Lowe's trip. Here's my little list. This is what I gotta get. Basically, my dad needs me to go get some stuff for him. So we're going to, oh, my bad. So we're going to Lowe's, and we're gonna go pick up the stuff, and yeah. So we're going on a little Lowe's trip. It's literally around the corner, so it's gonna be like 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, also, I hate going to Lowe's. Well, I hate going to the department store. Well, to the tools store, whatever. I can never find the things I need, even though I look it up, even though I do blah 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 blah. I can never find it. I don't know why. And so we're gonna always spend like 2 hours. So we're gonna see how long I take. I don't know. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Alright, to Lowe's. Bada. This hat looks like I got a dim-a-dome dome 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 dome. Alright, we're here. Lowe's. You guys, I don't know where to get the stuff. I don't know where to go. The list. I got the stuff. Boom. It fits. Boom. 2 breakers. Some sandpaper. And this texture for the walls. It's on there. I got it. I found it. Took me like an hour on Be Real, but I got the stuff. Yeah. Successful Lowe's run, whatever. Alright, back to working, I guess. Alright, what's up, guys? It's 5:39. It's nighttime now. I worked up for a while with my dad. I'm pretty tired. I'm probably gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go out later, so I'm gonna go home, get ready. Maybe I'll get some of it, I don't know, for now. But for now, this is goodbye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is normal Saturday for me, and I don't know. Hopefully these daily vlogs continue. I'm gonna just do daily vlogs every day. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But my name is George. And this is my, alright, I gotta go, bye. Okay, before I end it, I'm home. I'm gonna get ready, shower, and all that stuff. I just wanted, dude, so I had some leftover Guinness. It's from the can, I know. Nah, blah, 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 blah. Whatever. But like I poured it, you didn't get to see it, but I poured it out in my glass, and I like was just like, and like it was like little waves. It's just, that looks so cool. And before you guys come for me, I've been to Dublin. I've drank the real Guinness. I've been in the factory, so y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. You know, it's always better from the draft, but I've been there, all right? Look at that. Look at that. I've been there. Don't come for me. Anyways, I'll end it there. We'll see. Well, I don't know. See you guys later.